Hello, I am 9 years old. Well, 9.5. I am Aaron Cyrus. Please subscribe. Now, you mix it up, and I'm going to show you how I'm not looking. He's recording. He's doing that. Done. Okay. Now. 3, 2, 1, go. Now I do the layer by layer. I do the layer by layer one, so don't think I'm doing it. I try to do this fast most of the time.
I want to come.
Be quiet.
Lily!
Be quiet.
Tell Lily to come here.
Don't worry, I'm almost done. Now I feel bad. Trust me, I'm almost there. If any of you are a cuber yourself, well then hello.
If you guys are new, he is 9.5, and he is in the what grade?
4th grade.
4th grade, doing a Rubik's Cube. He's the first 9.5-year-old to do Rubik's
No,
Cube.
I am not at all.
Yes, you are.
Do not advise her. No, I'm not.
He's the first.
There's a boy from Japan that can.
Okay, the first one in the United States.
Oh. Well, there is a 7-year-old, but.
Oh, wow. Look at the
Okay,
stress
I'm almost
he has.
done. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! You just saw that Aaron Cyrus figured out how to do the Rubik's Cube.
Well, I know how to.
In 5 minutes.
Bye. Bye.
Subscribe to this channel. Here's the little link down below if you want to subscribe, and the link down below if you want to like it. And don't forget, to every Friday or Sunday, he's going to be making new videos. So advise it. Oh, and if you have Musical.ly, please follow me on meanprincess4.com.
And me. And me.
Meanprincess4. And what's yours?
Aaron Cyrus.
Bye. See you guys later.
Bye.